Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term mustard. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, mustard is a slang term for energy, enthusiasm, or boldness. People use it when they want to describe someone showing courage or lively spirit. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Mustard first showed up in early 1900s American English. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among young people and entertainers. Now let's check out how to use mustard in a sentence. Correct example 1. He had the mustard to stand up and speak his mind at the meeting. Correct example 2. She really brought the mustard during that dance battle. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said mustard at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using mustard right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Mustard means a slang term for energy or boldness. It started in early 1900s American English, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with mustard in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.